Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said that the US economic growth is slowing, and she acknowledged the risk of a recession, but she said a downturn was not inevitable. Peer-to-peer application building platform HolePunch announced the alpha launch of its encrypted video calling application called Keet, backed by stablecoin issuer Tether, crypto platform Bitfinex, and distributed systems developer Hypercore. Tesla said it was increasing spending by about $1 billion to ramp up its factories, develop new batteries, and finance other projects. In a securities filing, Tesla said it expected capital expenditures to be $6 billion to $8 billion in 2022.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US S&P Case-Shiller home price indices will be released at 1300 hours GMT. The US consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index will be released at 1255 GMT. Finland's unemployment rate at 0500 hours GMT. Korea's Consumer Sentiment Index at 2100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.